Welcome to Alley Picked, and today's quick tip. Should you spend $8 for the GluBot? This is a typical glue bottle design. It's bad. The glue always gets clogged in the nozzle. It dries, hardens, and then you have to open it with a pair of pliers. The GluBot is supposed to be a big improvement. I got this for Christmas last year, and now I've used it for about 11 months. I go through a lot of glue. In fact, I buy it by the gallon. I bought this 4 months ago, and I've got about a half a gallon left. Needless to say, I've got a lot of gluing experience on this subject. So what do I think of it? Should you buy it? Well, I could sum that up in one word.
Whatever.
I mean, it works. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's just okay. The one nice feature is that you can dispense glue in any position. So when you squeeze it, the glue will be forced through the bottom and up through the top, and then it will come out. The nozzle can be placed up here to keep it out of the way while you're gluing. This one here cracked, but they do sell replacements. Let me show you what I prefer. I buy 3 of these plastic bottles at Harbor Freight for $3.50. They're fairly easy to clean if they do clog, which isn't too often. And it's not that difficult to fill, even though this is a small nozzle. They also will glue in any position. If the bottle is full, you can simply squeeze it and the glue will come out. So it's really just a preference. If I had these 2 bottles sitting side by side and I needed to grab one right away, it would probably be this one. Again, this one is okay. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just that it's, well,